Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Dear children, take a look at this play item. What is this?
Rubik's Cube.
Yes, it's a Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube was invented by a man from Hungary named Rubiks. So this play item has 6 colors in it, but they are disorderly arranged. Just look at here. They are disorderly arranged. And these disorderly arranged colors will be set orderly by your class student Jaswanth. He is capable of arranging these colors in a proper manner in a very short span. Let us go through what kind of a skill to be exhibited by Jaswanth. Jaswanth, your time starts now. Fantastic performance, man! So, take a look at here. This is one color, another color, another color, another color. So there are 6 colors. All are orderly arranged. And he took just 1 minute and 10 seconds time to complete his task. It's a fantastic achievement. Why don't you put your hands together for his